Here, Mom. I got you on
shit.
video.
Dude, you scare me. Don't do that stuff.
No, I don't have no food.
Yeah, this one. Good
I
job.
like how you can judge the distance, so that's
Good
great.
job.
Ow!
Except that one, you prick!
Mom.
Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute.
Oh, I don't like you.
Okay. Okay, that's enough. I don't want no more. I don't want you no more. I don't like you. Oh, fuck. Now, wait a minute, dude. Wait.
No!
Wait. Is he getting your crotch? My leg. No, wait. Shh. Wait. Gobble him down that way. Okay. That's it. No more. Go. That's enough. That's enough.